Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of the Global Arena. Today I am discussing the future of UAE. The world is facing the consequences of coronavirus, where every country across the world is victim of this pandemic. It is not clear that how long this pandemic will remain, how deep it would go and paralyze the economy of any nation. This virus has caused destructions from east to west and north to south. Hardly few countries are safe from this pandemic. This virus has caused a problem for all. Same, it has caused serious consequences and serious problems for UAE as well. UAE economy runs on three major parts. Number first is oil, number second is tourism, and number third is property. And all these things are closed now with this ongoing lockdowns. According to Dubai Chamber of Commerce, they conduct survey and ended with a statement that in coming 6 months, 70% of companies could be closed. According to survey, 27% people which belong to small and big companies believed that might their business and company would stop. 43% people believes that this all will end in next 6 months. Dubai is considered as one of the Middle Eastern countries which is not dependent on oil like other countries of Middle East. Hoteling, tourism, duty-free shopping, property, UAE depends on these things a lot. And with this outbreak, it is expected that UAE may decrease 10% of population because of ongoing lockdown. People would return to their native homeland, in which Bangladesh, Pakistan and India are on the top of the list. Retail centers of UAE are in the financial grave. Buildings are empty, shopping centers and restaurants are closed. Some of them are open, but their 20 to 25% business has declined. $400 million relief package was announced by the UAE government. Now the question is, not all shopping centers and stores are closed. Some of them are open, but the question is no one is ready to go there. Busiest airport of the world is closed. Almost all airlines are closed. More than 30,000 cases of coronavirus in UAE and many of them were recovered. Many people lost their jobs in UAE. Many returned to their own homeland. Etihad Airline decreased 50% in salaries. Keeping in view, the government of UAE announced 2 times relief packages. Dubai flagship project Expo 2020 was crashed before takeoff. Emirates has also announced termination order to their staff from 15 June. They terminate those staff member which was hired in last 6 months, and they said that after 15 June we will also issue another list for further termination, including pilots, engineers and ground staff. If Emirates situation is this, then you can assume the condition of UAE now. So I hope you find this video informative. Kindly share, support and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.